Well, we are waking up to a bit of a partly to mostly cloudy sky, as you can see behind me there from City Cam 8 in downtown La Crosse. Some of us, though, looking at some light snow. Temperatures at 34 degrees currently in La Crosse. Looking at calm winds, though, Mississippi River Stage is at 9.21 feet, and that is dropping here this morning. Meanwhile, conditions now clear, a little bit clearer here. Temperatures at around 18 degrees. It does feel like it's currently 18 as well because we're not seeing much of a wind here, only around 3 miles an hour. Now, we are looking at some light scattered snow showers moving in across portions of the Coulee region from the west. Let's start off towards the west, where we are seeing some of that lighter snow here still existing over portions of Buffalo County and also into portions of central Trempealeau County, and also just to the south there of Black River Falls and also into Little Falls in Monroe County. Looking at some of that, especially further off towards the east around the Tomah, Wilton area, just south of Warrens across mainly central Monroe County, is where we're seeing some of those heavier flakes currently falling. And this is all really associated with this nearly stationary frontal boundary positioned to the south. And some of the snow showers are kind of riding just along that northern fringe of that frontal boundary right now. Now, we may see some of those flakes continue in some spots through at least 7 o'clock this morning. We'll get a break here in the clouds and snow around noon today, followed by mostly sunny skies there, as you can see there. 4 o'clock, mostly cloudy, temperatures at 53, and then still some cloud cover here as we head into the early evening hours here tonight. So we're going to watch this frontal boundary to the south, and it's going to meander here a little bit through at least much of the morning here. It looks like some cloudy skies left over and some of those lighter snow showers here through the morning. Now, as we head towards 4 o'clock in the afternoon, most of the clouds here should vanish as we're expecting. That frontal boundary will kind of meander here, it looks like, through at least tonight. Still some cloudy skies, though, could develop as we head into tonight. And then what's going to happen is that this frontal boundary is going to kind of transition more into a warm front, and that could allow still for some leftover precipitation to occur in a mix of rain and or snow here as we head into tonight. Very light stuff, though, here it looks like, which may kind of continue into early tomorrow morning. Now, this warm front is also going to give us some warmer temperatures once it passes through here this weekend, and as a result of all this, it's going to get pretty warm. In fact, the majority of the Midwest is in store for a pretty big pattern change as far as some above average temperatures in place, and in fact, you'll see that here on the 8-day forecast, as highs will reach the 60s for this weekend, followed by the 70s as we head into much of next week, especially starting on Tuesday and lasting throughout the rest of next week. Meanwhile, lows should be mainly into the 40s and 50s.